Welcome. Another day, another project. So we're up in the North Woods again, and we have got a project today where we ended up putting the roof on the band mill last year, and it's got a little sway to it, and so we've got some steel and some brackets we're going to put up to help take the wobble out of the building, basically. So take you along and see what it entails. Take you on a little cruise back to the band mill. How's she going, Dave?
Beautiful.
All right. I got the marker. All right. So plan is currently you can see just to take the sway out, we've got some straps here just temporarily. So we got
So,
yeah.
in that bag, on this side, there's a little compartment. And there should be another 1/2-inch drill in there.
Drill or drill bit?
Drill bit.
Okay.
This side, there's approximately right on this side.
All right. So you wanted
3 bolts, 3 nuts, 6 washers.
you want the short ones, right? Or you want?
But all the bolts should be
Oh
the
no,
same.
yeah, there's a. I got you. I'll come to you. Got him?
Okay, you got the wrench?
Yep. I got the wrench.
There you go. I hear geese.
I hear geese too.
I heard a bunch this morning.
Yeah.
Somewhat in the middle.
No,
Where's it at?
you're proud on this outer edge.
Something like that.
Here you're off your wash. You're off your wash.
Yeah.
In order to be in the middle, you gotta be there. Right. Exactly right there. No. Better part of that. Want an extension on that 3/4? Or not? You're just sucking your washer in.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Know what that's at?
That's nice Chinesium.
Now we'll just have to buy it.
I don't even know if they'll return that one.
Yeah. I'll use double lock.
She broke a little bit. Time for another one. Gotta go to the hardware store. We'll see if this non-impact can impact. No, I found an impact set, and I found every size up to 1" and something, but it's missing the 3/4. So.
Did you just look there? You didn't look in the basement, right?
No, just in the garage.
Could
might be one of the.
That one's made in Korea now.
Yeah.
So it's a bet against China versus Korea.
Yeah.
Who do you think's gonna win?
Okay.
How thick is this?
Quarter inch.
I think you should have gone bigger.
There you go.
Oh. Here, I'm coming. Hold on. All right.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
In.
Yes, sir.
Can't let go.
Yep.
Oh. I've inhaled more of these little sandflies today.
Oh yeah.
They're just up in your, they're in your ears and your nose.
I think that'll work.
Looks good. I'm guessing it's gonna go like that.
Yeah.
We have to make a cut.
Or to drill it down the hole. Might be easy just to drill a hole.
You think so?
Yeah.
Or to just get a.
Yeah. Well, where'd you do with that marker, Phil?
It's in my pocket.
Oh. Okay, you got it. Up and down with the marker.
Donnie, can you grab that marker for Dave when he comes down? It's all about adapt and overcome, right?
Yeah.
That's a good point.
We good there?
Yeah. Keep going. Tighter up.
Well, we're maxed out on our depth.
I have a crescent.
Well,
I got 3/4 inch wrench.
I just thought we would.
Keep it in the center.
Oh, so you're looking for center.
Yeah. Tighter up.
I had some of them ratchet wrenches, no? Where the hell are they?
I don't know.
I don't got them at home.
I got them too. I had a bunch of them. Yep.
That's right.
Wherever we need them.
There's tightening up.
There she goes.
I'm starting to tighten right up now, Phil.
Yeah. Cut about 1.5 inches off of them U-bolts.
And then use electric.
Nice half or 3/4. She's stiff already?
Huh?
She's stiff? You want all those up?
Well, just
Or
that,
just that
just that
one?
one.
Alright.
The other one's tight. Don't break the socket.
I don't think you will with this little drill, with this little impact drill. I don't have the snot that your 1/2 inch drive does.
Okay, so
Oh. Almost looks like we know what we're doing. Oh boy. Woo!
We're trying to get that trailer right where we wanted it.
Dave's trying the agility.
yeah,
That's pretty
So-
good.
yeah. So all we gotta do is just drill the bottom hole a little closer to the end. We'll just measure it.
Sounds good.
But I think what we're gonna do now is we're gonna just take the scaffold and around this way, and we'll take it, get our brace going this way.
So we're just doing bracing on these two corners.
No,
No.
could be on all four. But we're gonna do wood bracing here.
Oh, you're gonna do wood bracing off this side.
Yeah.
So metal's just gonna be on the insides and then wood on. Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know what the game,
Yeah.
the game plan was. What are we using
One
for
of those
wood?
U-bolts on it. And tighten it up. You know, we should probably have a strap still. For the U-bolt.
What size wood are we using?
2/8.
I got your pen.
Square there.
You want me to go get what do we got for saw?
Skill saw.
Oh, right over there.
Right behind me.
Right behind you.
Oh. Right behind us, me. I'll put that in my pocket.
You're gonna keep it?
For a
Okay.
while.
All right.
I'll keep it for a while.
I bet in 5 minutes you're gonna ask me where it is.
Probably.
Okay. 8-footer. I'll come over and grab it.
You can hand it up right here. Keep coming. Two more. One more. Oh. Up. Up.
Up.
There you go up there.
Okay.
Okay, now go to the post. Shove it to the outside. There. That's what we want.
And here we go again. Another day working on the band mill. Rained quite a bit last night and today. Another little front just came through, so I think we're done raining now for the day. It's Memorial Day weekend, and I think it's supposed to be like in the high 80s here all week. I'm heading out, I think, tomorrow. It's supposed to be a nice 75, but we're gonna get back to it and kind of got a game plan now of what we're doing, and we'll get her finished up today. So come along for the ride. I forgot to pick up my battery. All right, and here we are for another fun-filled day. We should get this knocked out pretty quick now that we got her figured out. So we're putting wood brace on this wall and then a metal brace on this. So I think that should do the trick. We're gonna see on how she takes the wobble out of the building. I think it's going to. I got high hopes.
Pound that in.
Gonna pound it in?
Yeah. There's all the cameras going there.
Don, you got a little
Pounder?
hammer?
Here you go.
Oh,
It's coming at you.
gracias. Ready?
This one started.
Yeah.
This one?
No. There.
Huh? I like that.
There you go.
It sounded good, that's for sure.
Sounds way good.
We'll be able to park tobacco in here too. Them aren't going to be in the way enough. And
No.
well, we might have a little problem right now, but no, I'm just kidding.
I know, they're light, aren't they?
Move it down a little bit. Up.
Don't worry, take your time. We got it.
She's in there. I mean, she's being held.
But no.
Oh,
I just got a
there
joke.
we go. I know.
Okay.
He likes to take his sweet time when it comes to
No,
stuff like
we
that.
should
No, this was the other heavy one.
Yeah. That's for this.
Well, we're gonna. Well, we'll see.
Try that.
How's that go for me? Oh.
You won't get it on. Couple nuts.
Couple nuts.
Besides the nuts that are holding them.
Oh, here, you want to hand me that?
Baby guy? Or the
You want to
big
hand
guy?
me that yellow
Like
Walter
that?
pad?
Well, you don't want to tighten it up yet.
Well, no, I just.
It's easier running them all the way on then.
I'm not gonna tighten her tight.
Because you got to get it moving. You need a bolt there.
May have to go up a little bit or down a little bit.
How's she looking there?
You might be able to see. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Squeeze through that.
Is she going?
We're going, said.
Yeah.
There.
Did we throw a washer on this one, or do we just? I don't think we did.
Maybe on this side. I don't know
Yeah,
what the
don't
other side.
matter. No. Take it.
Okay, do we like the?
Snug up your U-bolt. first.
Yeah, we like that.
Yeah. It looks good.
Okay. Is it wiggling, Dave? A lot less wiggle, but we still got the straps on.
That straps ain't doing shit no.
Oh. Look at what we found.
Huh?
Oh, I said, look at what we found.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see in there.
Don't touch them.
I'm not going to touch them. Mom's coming with food. We gotta get him ear protection.
Thank God.
Got it, darn kids. Okay.
Hey, up.
Gosh, this is way easier for 2 people.
Huh?
I said, thanks, Wayne. This is way easier for 2 people.
Yep. Okay. She's on, hanging on there.
Beautiful.
Now we put a bolt in the other end.
All right. We got all corners up, all supports. I'm gonna take the straps off now and see if we got any wiggle wobble. I think it's gonna be a lot less wobble.
Watch your head, John.
We're gonna shake them off or something.
Yeah. Here's one down.
There's one down.
Okay, you want to do the wobble test?
Do the wobble test. It doesn't wobble at all.
I see barely any wobble. That's great compared to what it was.
What'd you do with that big hammer?
With the big hammer?
Yeah. Oh, it's right here.
Now we just need the ridge cap on and
Yep.
we got ourselves a building. Yeah, buddy. Okay,
That wrench.
which one?
That ratchet wrench. There it is. Snug that up a little more.
Which one? That one? Oh, yeah, that's when I put the impact on that
Well, so it took and beat it in so it's
round. Successful operation. We were filming this, and at the beginning I said, well, if it doesn't work, we'll delete all the video and just start fresh and make another video. But it turned out perfect. So another job completed. It's actually nice working today. It was only 50 some degrees and no mosquitoes or sandflies, so that's nice compared to yesterday. There were some sandflies, but it wasn't too bad. So now we just clean up and we'll be done for the day. Get to finally milling wood again with a roof over our heads. Until next time.